This is Ava comforting Max.
Oh, Max. Is his eyes?
Yeah, don't poke his eyes.
Yeah. Max. Max.
Is he better now, Ava?
Max.
Is he better? Alright, can I get him out of this car seat? Can I get him out now? Is that okay, Mama? You think he's okay?
No.
Ava, leave his nose alone.
No.
There's Max. Don't poke his eyes, Ava. Don't poke his eyes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Are you coloring on the octopus mirror? Happy birthday, dear Max. Happy birthday to you.
Look.
Look, did you color on it? Are you supposed to color on that? Say no, Mama. I see what you did. Oh, yes. Are you coloring on it? I see that. Look, Max is going to smile. He thinks it's funny. Woo, woo, woo. He said woo, woo, woo. Oh, careful, Ava. You want up? Lie down if you want to lie down, but don't lie down on Max's arm. Let's get Max's arm. There. Oh, it's so sweet. Too sweet, kids. Good job. You do Itsy Bitsy Spider? Max, say Itsy Bitsy Spider. Yeah, you can lay down, Max. He's fine where he's at. Max is fine. Where'd Ava go? Where is Ava? I don't know. Where'd she go? There you are. Ooh, easy. There's Ava. Yep, that's the door. Where'd Ava go? Where's Ava going? Hey. And poor Tank, he wants to play. Says play with me. Bye-bye, Ava. Bye-bye. Where'd Ava go? Where's Ava? Where are you? Hi, there you are.